Notes మొత్తం రాసారా? Notes. Notes written all of you? Okay, fine. How many marks exam? 52. రాయమది ఎప్పుడు రాత? See guys, yesterday class we talked about the single page applications. Create the components like instead of reloading what entire page, load the specific component. Create the home.jsx, west.jsx component. We need to make the routing for that. We create the routing for that. Good. See guys, let me take the today class. In web items, I want to display the base details. To display the base details in the web items, go for the yesterday example. Yesterday example, we have the food app. This is called home base, base item space. What non-base space. Yeah, non-base space is there. Seeing the details like this, fine. Okay, go for the base.jsx. I want display some base items here. Go for the base.jsx. I will tell you just base.jsx, non-base and all you complete that. See guys, base.jsx, I'm taking the list of products. So I'm taking the base items array. Array contains like potato, tomato, what carrot. Product ID, product name, product price, product image URL is there. Images there, product picture file. Product description is there, fresh potatoes, ripe potatoes, crunchy carrots, something like that. I taken some three items like that. You please take the area of vegetable product. Convert this one into the list item. Convert the array data and what? Convert the array data into what items? What is list items? List items convert straight. How to convert list items? Because you can write the list items dot what function? Map function. Put the arrow logic. Before arrow is what? Each product. You can take what? Each product. Each product put the braces is good, parentheses is good, parentheses because we have written the data. Parentheses you can take. Take the list item, guys. List item. The list item. You take the product dot what? Take the braces like this. Just you can write what? Product dot ID. Just you can put some like hyphen symbol. Hyphen symbol just for the separation purpose I'm writing, right? But product dot ID. Next one is what? Product dot name. Next one is what? Product dot veg items. No, veg items. Product. ఏంటమ్మా వెజ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మల్టిపుల్ ఏరియా ఉంది కదా ఈచ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈస్ ఇటరేటెడ్ ఐ టేకెన్ ద వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ ఇస్ వాట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఓకే ఇక్కడ వెజ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ వెజ్ ఐటమ్ తీసుకున్నాం సింగులర్ ఓకే యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ వేరియబుల్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈస్ ఓకే ఫైన్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఐడి ప్రొడక్ట్ నేమ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ వాట్ ప్రైస్ product price is there like that. First let me display this detail space. Go for the veg item space. In veg item space this heading tags that is up to you. What is the base CSS you are writing? That looking like that, fine. Yes, let me go for the order list simply here. Order list just you can write what braces, and this one you can take the net veg items list. Veg items list you can take. Okay, just let me copy this data veg items list to place this. No, already you know this code, right? Good. Okay, simply can run this project. To run this project, like npm run there, we can run the project. Go for the command prompt and npm and what run there. npm run there, just click on the go, click on enter, then you get the browser view. It was all unresolved issue. I'm fine. Good. Yeah, this is the data here. We have the veg items. Home page is there, veg is there, and what non-veg is there. If you click on the veg items here, now you got the veg items list. See, for the first one here, one the potato price, two tomato 200, three carrot and water 150. Just we convert take the list of items and display the data like the corresponding base details, right? Go for the veg items list is there, and veg items list is there. Yeah. This veg items. Just we take the array, we convert that array into what? We convert array into what? List item and display what? List item. But see guys, I want to display the image, product image now. To display the image guys, first in the project, you please take some images guys. Just image URL you can check it. In image URL, we have the images slash what? JPG. All the images you please place in the public folder. In public folder, you place the images guys. That's what the public folder. You can go for what? Project images folder here. Okay, let me copy this images folder. In public folder, I'm going to place the image. So this is my public folder. Just let me have the images here. Paste it. Under the public folder, I place you what folder? Images folder. In images folder, I have some images like beans.jpg, beetroot.jpg, penny.jpg, some jpg files I taken, right? So in public folder, you place all the images. Then you are giving the location is what? Slash images, what jpg file. What jpg, right? Exactly. Okay, this is called product ID, first one here. Next one is what? Product name, and product is what? Price. Product price. I think we should have the key, right? What the key is here? Key equal to product dot product dot ID. Nice. Product dot what? ID. Now I want to display the product description also. Tell me guys, to display the product description here, you can go for the hyphen. Yeah, just you can have the. Tell me guys, braces, just you can write the product dot what you can say here, description. And the last one is what product image I want to display. To image the product image guys here, you can take the tag is like image tag. What tag image tag. Image tag contains what the SRC. SRC means what location, right? ALT means what if the image is not available, right? Image is found or not found, not found. Image is what you can say here, not found, right? Image is like not found, and SRC is there. This is called SRC. What the SRC is image location we have to give, right? Just you can copy this one here. You can paste this one here. Product dot what? Because SRC. SRC can give the image location. What the image location? Product dot what? Image, right? That's it. Image URL. Because here we have the type is what image URL, right? See guys, res items, veg component is there. You create the veg component list array list. Convert that array into what the list item. That list item you just display order list. Just here display while displaying, just you can take this key and remind details of what image. Image SRC means what the location. What the location product data image URL, right? That's it. So guys, if you run this code here, you can go to the file here. Now you see this is like one potato, and see guys, this is the ID price. Sorry, ID name price. This is a description, and this is for what tomatoes, right? We coming or not coming on tomatoes, carrot, and what tomatoes. In first image is not coming. First image is what potato.jpg, right? Let me check that potatoes.jpg. Go for the images folder guys once. Image folder check cheyandi, then you can go for what potato is there or not there, you can check it. Yeah, potatoes are, I think here we have the potatoes. Then you can go for the what you can say guys here, potatoes.jpg, right? Good. Guys, come to the file, click on the refresh. Potatoes. TOS. TOS, okay, fine. So TOS, yeah, now we got the potatoes, right? And this is called one potato, like that, potato, tomato, and what? Carrot. And then you take the, see that should be implemented for the veg items or non-veg items, milk items, whatever items you take in. Minimum 3 products you should take. You take the veg, non-veg is common. Third one, either you can take the milk, desserts, whatever it may be. Just to make the 3 links should be there. How many links? 3 links. You copy the download the images, copy the images, paste into what images folder. That images folder should be there in what folder? Public folder. See, images folder is the, that's what I given what images.potato. Hey, no sir, I directly placed my images in public folder. Directly you place images in what? మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా ప్లేస్ చేస్తారు అనుకో ఇఫ్ యూ ప్లేస్ ద ఇమేజెస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇన్ పబ్లిక్ ఫోల్డర్ డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఓన్లీ ఇమేజ్ నేమ్ only what image name but directly in public folder images folder is there publicly image folder is there that's what you're writing what slash images and what slash potatoes dot jpg file like jpg file and carry that what jpg file right but that's it I guess okay got it good you write like this that's all for the today class just array you take convert into list item display the data that's all after displaying the data, you can copy this one here. Observe carefully what I'm doing. This is the main crucial part. Open the ChatGPT. You give this code to what? ChatGPT. Ask, give me basic.css. Yesterday class what? App.css you are doing the styling. Now today class what? Basic.css. Give me like what format? Cards format. What format? Cards. Cards are different. Product cards. First card, second card, for product cards format. Hover effects. What effects? Hover. Hover means what when you place the cursor on the card, it should be hover, right? Hover effect, like that you can ask. See guys, you already complete the CSS and all. That's what you ask like that, you can do the code. See guys, you please create the base.css file first. Come to the file, go for the src folder. In src folder, right click, new file. What the new file? Base.css. Guys, base.css file ready. Once the base.css file ready, you copy this base.css code, paste the code here. Base.css is ready. Go for the base.jsx file. In base.jsx file, you can go for import statement. Tell me how to import. Import dot slash what file amount? Base.css. And import JS code. Base.css you can import. See guys, after that, he given some classes. What the classes he given, just like what list item, this is fine. You simply can check the the product data once. You can go for the data big basket. You see that cards are coming like this. First card, second card, third card. Wait, coming or coming after? But this is looking good or not good? Not good. Again, you ask that I want the more CSS about what? I need. Tell me guys. I need what CSS, right? I need the more CSS for that. Yeah. You ask like I need the I need page card with the image, price, name, image, name, price, description. You ask the art also clear order with good fonts, good what fonts and styles. Or like that, then he'll give one more time. He'll give one more time. Then you can go for the base.css code. In base.css, base.css. Yeah. Now you see guys, he is giving like yeah, he's giving the classes like that. When he's giving the class name is what a card container, class name is what a card, this is what a card body, card title, card price, card description. That's what is when he given this code here. Observe careful. We can copy the code. He can go for the base.css, just like sorry, basic component here. He can paste it that. Once if you paste that code guys here, this is called importing the React, importing what base.css is all the column. Go for the base.css. In base.css is will give the code. Just you can copy the base.css code and you can paste it on again. And you can check the now the URL you can check it. Big basket guys, now we can check the code here. Hey, like that. Then you have the cards like this. See guys, this is called first card, second card, and bottom. How many cards? Not third cards, three cards. Like that, we have the cards. We have the cards. We have what? Card right? Exactly. Yeah, like that, yes. Like that, how many times you need the the styling and all, we can give the corresponding what? Styling part of the data. Styling part of the data. So we want one more. I need the like with items with border styling, border styling, good format. What was the one? Just we can have a border format. Then again, CSS container class name he is giving the code like this. Okay, let me copy this code here to go for the base.csx. Base.csx, the paste assembly, open the base.css file. In base.css file, and hey, you see, you don't write directly the CSS code and all. First, you check the, you take the array and you convert into what? Map, and you print the list items. First, you check the list item data coming or not. Directly, I'm checking the CSS, or first, I'm checking the functionality working or not. First, we functionality check side. Once if you're good at the checking the functionality, then you think about what? Styling. When you direct take a chart, you can say direct take a map if you're writing useless thing. Just like Naresh is doing the same, right? And he's doing what? Save. That's what he's 4 days onwards he's trying. He got the 50 marks in the exam. Still he's trying on. That is the data guys. Then here you can go for like styling here. Just you can copy this code here. You can go for the CSS. You can paste it down. You can go for the controller. Just you can see the cards guys. Hey, like that guys, you will get the different styling and all. Just you can check it. But I have some basic styling like this. Like that, go for the veg items that should be displayed. Non-veg items that should be displayed. Oh yes, sir, man. Yeah, how many steps just? You can take the non-veg items guys. Just you can take the first of all what array. You take what? Array. Array is called first one. Just you can take the non-veg, just you can take the non-veg items array. ID, name and what a price. Image URL is what a chicken, mutton and what a fish. Description you can take the fresh chicken, mutton like that. After that you convert that list of items into what array of items into what list items. Because you got the objects. Convert that objects into what list items. Using what map function. The map function you convert the list items. After converting list items, so we need to go for what? Return statement. In return statement, just to print the data. Where return statement what? Print the data. Where this is a return statement, just you can print the data, right? Non-base list item. That's it, guys. You can come to the file, go for the click on the non-base. Now it is coming as what? With style or without style? Without style. I think image name also not coming. Let me check. So go for the images, guys. I think in my system, chicken is there or not, you can check it. Go for the SRC, not SRC. Public images. I think chicken. No, I think I didn't copy that. Chicken is there. No? Beans, cauliflower, carrot, chickadoo, chili, bendakai. No. And right now we don't have the chicken concept there. Yeah? Fine. Chicken, mutton, and what for fish. Range copy చేయండి paste చేయండి go for some image URL chicken in place of chicken guys let me copy that what you can say here in place of chicken I'm going for that like cart dot JSX yeah cap.jpg just you can write the cap.jpg it's called capsicum I think and next one is what cauliflower.jpg images slash స్పేస్ కొట్టి రావాలి జంటలుగా అంటే ఇమేజెస్ స్లాష్ అని కొట్టండి కంట్రోల్ స్పేస్ కొడితే క్లియర్లీ ఇట్స్ కమింగ్ రైట్ యా ఓకే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద bottle dot what jpg file jpg file last one is what vector.jpg file just let me add the vector.what file the jpg file you just check okay JPG 2 times coming up fine. Guys, now you see the data here. Then we have the data like this is called capsicum. This is what? What I can say now. Like this. So why that is coming very small data? Because I think here we specified the height and width of the image. So guys, we are taking the image tag now. Image tag contains what? SRC, product image URL. This one is take what? Alternative name. ALT means what? Alternative, but is specified what? Height and width. Height and width, let me remove here and check the data. This is called what? Capsicum. Cap is it? Like that. Sorry, capsicum data. That's it. Data. Okay, like that, guys. We cut it out. Then you write the every base items contains the 10 products should be there. Base items of a 15 right. You write the 15 for the base items, 15 for the non-base items, 15 for the desserts. Why 15? I am saying that tomorrow I'll discuss a page nation. Page nation means what? At a time, in the bottom side, you can see the 1, 2, 3 pages. Yes or no? If you make the three items means what page nation will not come. You go bottom side, you take the 15 items. 15 items means what? One page you can display the 7 items. Yes, yes. Like 6 items. 6 item first page, 6 items second page. Next page is what 3 items like that. You implement what page nation. To implement the page nation, we require the more items. That's what minimum how many items you should take? 15 items is counted. And here you clearly mention the products like in the public folder replace directly images. Here you can write one folder is like veg images, non-veg images, desserts images. Mood folder create చేయండి. How many folders are? 3 folders create చేయండి. You do the project clearly because at the end of this course, you will deploy this project in a live deploy చేద్దాం. That project you can put in the resume. This project you should deploy in what? Live. Everyone should have your own deployment link. All the CSS you can cross check. CSS మంచిగా design చేయండి CSS. All the CSS, veg.css file, right the veg side, veg style. App.css file, app component style. Non-veg.css, non-veg. Milk.css, milk file. Write the CSS very carefully. Make the UI is very looking good. మంచిగా చేసుకోండి UI. Maybe you are in the CSS classes with the veg items, card items, power effects and all that. You check it and make the UI is very clear. Make the UI is very clear. If any any what you can say, any suggestions if you want, go for the code one side from her. There we have the already projects are there, whole student project. You can see some reference purpose. See here we have the download GitHub code is there. Here you can go download the code also. And code download just check this on there. So this is like take the so this is like so check his project and check how he is implemented. Okay, a view sorry. More than this, you have to build it. Your image background you have to check clearly how they are built. Either this kind you will see tomorrow class. See today class if you implement these all the pages, more items if you add. You add how many items per the page tell me here? 4 plus 4, 8. Again you click on the second link, again 8 will come. Again you click on the third link, again 8 will come. 8 or 4 coming, 4 coming. 8 plus 8 plus 4. How many items? 8 plus 8 plus 4. 20 items. Better to make the 20 items are good. 20 items means what? Each page you can display how many items? 8 items. Sir, no. Ravindra written only veg items. Here you can make your own slides. With మంచిగా ఒక స్టైల్ పెట్టేసుకొని క్లియర్ గా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి. By tomorrow, here you can see left side you ask the menu bar. Beside that every item you require that what you can say icons. And left side you can take the tasty bites or your what you can say company logo, something like that. Then set చేసేసేయండి. How many items? Veg items, non-veg items. So today if you display these all items like this in cards format and tomorrow implement what taste nation quotation. So go for the veg items, non-veg items, drinks is included drinks like this. More items means what? More looking at that's it. If you add the 2 items or 3 items means what? That's not going to work out. See home page how we implemented the big screen like this. That's a home page. When the project is open, that is a home page looking like. Home page very important. You design it properly. It means what? This is the home page. You can go for the data like this. This is the carousels, scrolling data like this. CSS classes related like this. And I think these are the take the help like reference projects. See this is the Venkatesh project here. You can see website like this. This is a live project. Like the after this course, your project also should be in the live. See this is the Venkatesh project he implemented. See how this is looking here. Hey, you don't do anything. You should ask the CSS code to the ChatGPT. You should know where we have to place the CSS, what we have to modify, what images we out of this, and then Got it down? See he how we implemented the left side. Previously, in the project, one side of code is there. This is like he implemented your code is there. You see, when I place the cursor here, it's going for like this. You ask the ChatGPT clearly. I want company name. I want to slower. Beside that, what delivery. See, he created code base like this. Base items, non-base items. See, you see that carrot symbol. Our class on yesterday we did the carrot, same carrot only. Because he is using the same thing here. See, he is doing it like this. The previous example, one way is there. This example is what he added some like 20% off by seeing that internet. Like different which non-base is there like this. If you click on the quick view like this, it is opening the screen like this. Like this, if Ravindra project is nice, English project is nice. In entry panel, if they enter in the interview, 1,000 people are came for the interview. The Ravindra and what Venkatesh they are showing their projects like this. Then definitely what they will get the chance to get the job. Because out of 1,000 people, no one will do the project like this. They will do the project like this, sir. No. How you are present, that's it, guys. Market yourself. He written extra messages or what? Left side non-base, he written like this. Can I place the cursor, you see? The chicken is coming like friend, quick view is coming, 21% off, add to cart. When I click on the add to cart left side, you can see that confirmation buttons will get. This I will tell you tomorrow class, fine. Go for non-base, dairy items, with things. మీరు ఎట్లా డిజైన్ చేస్తున్నారు మీ చేతిలో ఉంటుంది బట్ యూ సీ దిస్ business implemented. See, first button, second button, third button. Even in over effects, when I place the cursor, that is going for the up and down, right? These all are in your hand. That is your work. You have to do the work, and you have to build your process. Just I told you that what I take the 20 items, convert into list items, display into what the data statement content. Then your responsibility, how to add the proper CSS, how to take the components, how to download the images, where we have to place the image in the public folder. That is whose work there. Your work. The credit the cart items. The part I will tell you later. Fine. Discounts or scanner or email sending. So here you can see the scanner code will come, QR code will come. What code ma? QR code. Either card details will come, CVV number, date and month, like this. And go for the card details and go for the cash details like that. But today you should do up to what make the CSS properly, make the home page properly. See, then the starting page loading, the page loading like this. The scorer is coming. See, we are full go accept like this. Go for what base items. Go for what non-base items, make items. Maybe display. You take help of what? So reference of this one. Sweta, something like here provided. This is Sweta project. She implemented what takes the best from the top chefs. She implemented the menu bar like this. If you open the base items, our menu bar is like looking like normal, basic menu bar, right? Menu bar, basic. If you click on the base items, non-base items, loading. And I think the coding some issue is there. You need to check. Harika project if you check. And catalog. Your own style, your own lookings and all. See, this is a pool, right? But when I place the cursor going for the over, non-base items, pool just will data opening like this. See guys, every component you add the button also. What the button we have to add now? Add to cart button. Button add shape. I didn't add the button previously, right? The add shape button add shape. You click on the add to cart, click on the add to cart buttons. So she written what base items and non-base item what are juices. Catalog. Srinath is there, just you can read the website here. He is implemented like this. Just welcome to Village Smart, something like that. Base items. I think we didn't add the must CSS. Okay, fine. మీరు ఎట్లుందనుకో స్టేట్ and ఎట్లా ఉండాలి మినిమం రవీంద్ర అట్లీస్ట్ వెంకటేష్ the two projects are nice here. And the Lalita project you can see that. Welcome to Uchananta. Actually the background that should be loaded. Yeah, fine. Page items you can see them. Loading, 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 loading. Yeah, it's taking time, but it's okay, fine. Yeah, that's it. Just click on the add to cart. There is a data here. They are chasing. Okay, got it done. Once I can, my work is done. You do your work. Any questions? Just I'll show you this code. That's enough, right? Veg items enough. Non-veg items remaining are you do. You take the code. That's all. Array of vegetable products converted veg items into like this. SRC folder. Image SRC. Argument is what? Image not found. Just a moment. Nothing only one check product ID. In the card, the product ID display is not required, right? If you see this website here, the product ID, if you click on the web items, what we should record in the web items here? Image, product image, product name, description, price, button. That's all. That's what here you can see the data. Product image must display child, then product name, after product name, product price, product description, button, add to cart button. Like that, how many products you have to take? 20. Each one 20, 20, 20. Veg items 20, non-veg items 20, milk items 20. This is with CSS or without CSS? First, without CSS, you check the code, checking the output is coming or not. Then start adding your styles. Correct? That's one. Hey, anyone open the laptop? Laptop. You open the laptop home page వచ్చింది కదా. You got the home page, right? Home page, right click and click on inspect once. Click on inspect. Go for the console. Inspect చేసి console వెళ్తే here it is asking some message. ఏమడుగుతుంది అక్కడ? మీరు రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే కన్సోల్ కి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఒక మెసేజ్ కనబడుతుంది. కనబడుతుందా? ఏం మెసేజ్? రియాక్ట్ డెవ్ టూల్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ సంథింగ్ అని. యు గాట్ దట్ మెసేజ్? రియాక్ట్ డెవ్ టూల్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ వస్తుంది. యు క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్. ఇన్స్టాల్ రియాక్ట్ డెవ్ టూల్స్. Install the React Dev Tools. React Dev Tools are very important for the developers. అది ఇన్స్టాల్ కొట్టేసేయండి. ఇన్స్టాల్ కొట్టేసి బ్రౌజర్ వెయిట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. యూ విల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ద డెవ్ టూల్స్. ఇన్స్టలేషన్ అవుతుందా? కొట్టు. So download the React Dev Tools for the better development experience. You click on that. Here you got the message install for the Chrome, install for the Firefox, install for the Edge, right? Click on the install for the Chrome. Install for the Chrome means we got the message that get it there. Click on the get more, add extension. Add an extension. Extension added for people. After adding extension, again you right click and go for the file, click on the refresh. Look, sir, right click this inspection. Right click and what? Inspect. Once if you inspect, go for the plus operator. A React Dev Tools you install. Hey, once you finish the Dev Tools, you go for the inspect the console. After installation of Dev Tools, here you will not get that Dev Tools installation again. You see that here we got all the options, right? There are options you can click on the down arrow. There we can see the components of such a role. You will get what? Components. If you click on these components, either plus operator is there, extra message is coming up, dot will come. Go for that arrow here. You can go for the components. You see in real time, these are very powerful. When you click on the components, what happened, here I can see the complete project structure, what project I have. So again, this is my project structure. You can see how many links are there in my project? 3 links. See, initially starts from app component, browser router. I told this all the routing will be there in the browser router, right? Which contains the router. See guys, links are there. How many links are there? 3 links. And the project లో ఎన్ని links ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని components ఉన్నాయి, ఏ component activate లో ఉంది. See guys, if I click on this first link, you see the first link, bottom side you can see the first link is, you can give the information also. What the first link is here? Home also. First link home. Two is what the slash. Second link, if you click, you get the link information. Base and children's are what? Basic component, right? For the third link is what about non-basic. Like links and you can put there. How many links are there? And now I clicked on like these are the non-basic items link, right? That's what you see that bottom side here. What root is enabled here? Non-basic. If non-basic enabled only. In fact, if you go for the item, like click on the basic. Now you see that here, what is enabled here? Basic enabled. If you click on the routes, one route is the 3 routes are there. If I click on the routes, you click on routes, here you see the children's. How many children's are there? 3 children's. Route. If you click on this, developers we can check debug just the month. How many components are there? What component contains what key? You check all the from here on. See the first route. First route is a 0th route. Element is what the home component. Second round, what component? And what A component said, we can check all the points here. This is like home component. This is called what the basic component. Route 3. Route 3 is what the non-veg. Path is what the non-veg, right? That's all. These are like structure of the project. Even if you see that with the project comes, see the student projects like this one you can view the website. Once if you view the website, here right click and what on inspect. Once if you click on the inspect, here you can go for the components, click on the component. Once if you click on the components, see he is written the code like this. See guys, links are there. How many links means what? Link. See guys, this is right there, drumstick, coffee, and link for one link. This is one link. Even what you can say, expand item. If you click like this, and expand and like again, going like this. And these are like here are the links we written for that. How many links are there? These are the links, guys. First link, if I click bottom side, you can see the link. Is written what children's are what forward reference. Is writing that is what link home link. Is writing these are the class names, CSS classes, right? Class names are there. Guys, like that. If I click on this link, I can understand that he written for what? Snacks. Okay, this is like children's are what? Snacks component, right? And you go for this one here, cart. This one is what? Orders. This one is what? Contact. This one is what? About us. That one. Guys, that is the data. See guys, how many children he written you see? In I think why is written as children's that for the path. How many routes are there? Route provider is there. Route provider. Okay, like that, it's like that. Here we have the context provider. These are the routes. The MB is there. What component is clicked? Go for the web items. You click on the web item. You click on what? Batch. Context consumer children. So project structure we can see using whatever React dev tools. We React what? Dev tools. Add the React dev tools also. Besides only to master income. మీరు ఆ కోడ్ అంతా రాసుకోగలుగుతున్నాను యూ డోంట్ రైట్ అకాల్ కోడ్ ఇదంతా ఐటమ్స్ అని చార్జ్ చేసి తీసుకుంటాం కదా హియర్ జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ సమ్ మెసేజ్ array of లిస్టబుల్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అని తీసుకోవాలి మ్యాప్ ఫంక్షన్ మీకు తెలుసు కదా కన్వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ array of objects into లిస్ట్ ఐటమ్స్ అంటారు హియర్ ప్రింట్ ద లిస్ట్ ఐటమ్ అంటారు జస్ట్ ఆ క్లారిటీ రాసుకోండి దెన్ యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ ద ల్యాప్టాప్ మీరేం చేస్తున్నారు 1 2 పొటాటో టమాటో మీరేం చేస్తున్నారు మొత్తం కాపీ రాసుకుంటున్నారు ఎందుకు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయడం.